This is a short demonstration of an app called PDF Expert. I loaded the application on my iPad and I'm going to open it now. And this is how the app looks like when it's open. First of all, what I wanted to do is I come down here where it says Networks, because I have hooked up my application with my Dropbox account, and as you can see here, they're all my Dropbox folders. And I go now into the folder where I know the PDF file is, and I come into here, and I just did some changes on the document and saved it back into the Dropbox. And now it's going to say and ask me that file is already existing, but there's a new version, so I'm going to say replace. So what it's going to do is it's going to download now the newer version of that PDF one and will replace it. So here we go. That's one of the files here, what is given to the students. The application has many different types of tools up in here, which I don't want to go in at the moment. But what I wanted to show you here, for example, is that down here I have added with the Adobe Acrobat Pro some fields where the trainee, and in this case here a workplace coach, needs to sign the documentation and has to date the documentation here. So if you're out on the field with that particular app on your iPad, what you need to do is you just simply tap onto the field, and now it's giving you a choice of your signature. If you have somewhere already stored a electronical signature, you can do that, but if you haven't, you say customer signature, and what it's going to do is it's come up with a big field, and this is a one-time signature that will be inserted into the document. So in that case, I'm going to say and sign with it like this, and I'll say done. I come up here to the right and say done. That will put that signature directly into the box. Here is the workplace coach. I can do the same thing and just come in and sign as Mr. Miller and say done. And here Mr. Miller signed that document as well. And obviously to put the date in, you just select all and say cut, so it's quickly to get out, and then we put a date in there, and today we got the 30th of April, so 30/04/20 2012. You would do the same thing there. So that's how easy you can fill in a form on an iPad with the Expert PDF. And what I'm going to show you is now another one which we've been working on, but this time I go into my document area because I already downloaded that particular file, and what I'm going to do is I just go into my PDF versions and open it up in here. Here are some fields as we had before where you can enter a date. Here can you write text, normal text in there as well. But what we have done with that particular PDF file also, we added some drop-down menus where you can come and choose and get a choice of yes or no, for example, here, or you come further up here and say yes and no again, and fill that all in with the drop-down menus. So a very powerful tool or app, that particular one. What it also allows you to do, what I found two useful tools inbuilt into the one, would be one of the stamps. So what you can do is when you got the stamp, it allows you to put certain stamps in there. So if the student, for example, has completed that whole lot, apart from putting your signature in there, you can put a stamp in there. So anywhere where you want, you take that particular stamp and drag that down to wherever your signature is. So on top of that one, you can also take that and put it in here as a completed sign. So there's some great tools in here, sign it, and drop down menus, and obviously what is very powerful in here, and I'll show it again, a customized signature that goes into the PDF file. Worthwhile app to think about to get.